What's up guys? Happy weekend sa inyong lahat. So, ayun, proud to share itong results ng mga trade ko this week publicly, no, from October 14 to 18. Okay, so this is what actually happening inside my VIP channel, no. So, ayun, starting from Monday, ito yung trades ko kay Gold. So, dito is nag-send ako rito ng market insight ko, market projection. Ayan, ito yung Gold trade ko ng Monday, and then update ko rito sa kay Gold Market. Ayan. Ito yung market insight ko, projection for this week, no, for the whole week kay Gold. And then ito, trade kay Gold, other trade. So hindi naman lahat puro successful setup dito, no. Hindi lahat puro panalo, okay. And then hindi rin lahat puro successful setup. May failed setup pero still in profitable pa rin sa failed setups, no. Gold setup ito, before, after. So ito na yung Tuesday. Ayan. Tapos Tuesday bias naman din kay Gold ito. Ito siya, October 15. Okay, so from this itong zone na to, itong BOI na to, bias ko towards upside. So ito na yun ngayon, no. Okay, so ito na yung naging outcome ng move ni Gold. Okay, and then ayan, other trades, EU. Okay, so actually ito hindi ito successful setup, no. Pero still I managed to profit pa rin naman kahit na failed setup ito, no. Kasi dito is ina-apply ko yung trade management strictly. Okay. AUD USD. And then the next day, Gold. Ito, kapag ganito, nag-send ako ng ganito lang, ng walang chart. So, that means yung hindi pa nakabukas yung computer ko, or kaya nasa labas ako or busy pa, no? Euro NZD. So, I think hindi rin ito successful setup, no? Okay, yan siya. Pero I still manage to profit pa rin dyan. So, trading management is the key. Okay. Gold sell setup. The next day, October 16, Wednesday. Ayan. So, ito yung naging outcome. Okay. Ayan. And then, so dito yan, every setups ko dito is yan, ina-update ko. Yung entry plan, exit plan. Ayan. GBP AUD, sell setup. Then Euro AUD sell setup. So ang naging outcome, and TP hit kay Euro AUD, GBP AUD is ito, hindi to successful setup na, pero na-hit yung trailing stop loss ko rito. Okay. And then lastly, ito gold sell setup. I think ito stop out yata ako rito. GBP USD setup. Tama, stop out ako rito kay Gold last Thursday, no, October 17. Ito naman kay GU, pero ito hindi ko rin na-maximize ang profit ko dito, no? So trail stop din ako dito. Okay, and then Friday, Friday kahapon din ako nag-trade pala, no? So until lang pala, Thursday ako nag-trade. So yun, and then update ko yun sa projection for this weekend. Okay, so ito lang naman yung mga nangyayari dito inside ng BIP channel ko, no. Daming ganap, no, pero yun nga dito sa public channel wala masyadong ganap. Medyo tinatamad kasi ako. Anyway, so yun lang, no. Just to share lang, no. Okay. Right, happy weekend sa inyong lahat. Good luck for the upcoming next week, no, upcoming trading week session.